Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Should you get your child vaccinated if they have a cold or cough? Immunization is an important step in your child's life. However, sometimes, your little one may be sick on the scheduled date of their vaccination. What happens when a child falls sick? This is normal as germs and pathogens can cause colds and coughs upon entering the body. The body's natural immune system releases antibodies to fight off the infection. This is a natural response and every person's body goes through it. How do vaccinations work? Vaccination is the process of injecting antibodies into a person's body. It is a preventive measure. When the actual pathogen enters the body already has the necessary antibodies to fight off the infection. Different vaccines have different durations in which they work. Some need to be given just once in a lifetime while others can be given in regular intervals. It is advised that you don't skip appointments for lifetime vaccines even if your little one has a cough or a cold. Why should you avoid giving immunizations to your sick baby? If your baby has a fever or is unwell, it is best to not give your baby their vaccine. When your baby's immune system is fighting off an infection, it is best to not introduce vaccines as it can put your baby's immune system into overdrive. However, you can consider it an exception when it comes to coughs or cold. These symptoms likely exist because the infection has been fought off. When is it fine for your baby to be vaccinated? You must realize that it is quite common for little ones to have a cold or a cough. Always check your baby's health in morning on the day their vaccination is scheduled. If your baby is unwell, consult with your doctor and then go ahead accordingly. It is common for your little one to get mild symptoms post-vaccination. Do not panic and keep an eye on them. Mild infections do not interfere with vaccinations. However, always consult your doctor if you have any doubts.